All right. Let's see. Okay, we're live now. Let's pull up Forex Factory. Let's pull up Trade Seeker. Oh, look at my Apex. All right. Give me a second. I'm pulling up the YouTube channel. Copy the link to the stream. Send it to the Discord. And all right. Let's go. So I'm gonna stream on TikTok as well for a couple minutes. I'm gonna stream on TikTok for the next like 20, and then once we get market open, I will go ahead and switch to just YouTube. How about that, guys? Uh, bro, what is wrong with my? I'm gonna go ahead. Do you guys see me? Do you guys see me? Should be good. And I'm gonna post on Instagram that we're live. All right, we're good. Sorry. Um, Connected that. I don't understand why it's not working. All right, we're chilling. Let me go ahead and post on Instagram. All right, gonna post the YouTube stream on. Just need to copy the link real quick. All right, we're good. What's up? Thank you, ZXM, for sharing the live, guys. This is a pre-market stream, so you're gonna have to go ahead and go to the YouTube if you want to see the full stream. We're gonna go ahead and switch soon. I'm already live on YouTube if you guys want to move over. All right, got the face cam there. Let me go ahead and fix it. All right, we're chilling here. Stream is fully set up on YouTube. What's up, guys? What's up, Emil? What's up, Mikey? I'm streaming on TikTok right now as well, Mikey and Emil. Just to that's why you're gonna hear me talking about chat from something else. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the TikTok live once market opens. 8:30. We have a data high. So we have data high and data low right now. We are chilling. What are we thinking for the day? Well, right now we're looking for these data wicks. Todd, something about pull up on TikTok. Go to the YouTube, bro, and join the live stream. We're gonna go ahead and move over. We're gonna go ahead and completely switch in about like 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes. But I'm gonna be live streaming there all day. You can see we're already live. We're just gonna be going ahead and completely moving over after market opens, or a little bit before market open. We are gonna be going ahead and switching over. So. Wait. Here we go. Thank you, Trackers, for sharing the live. I'll go ahead and send this to Discord. I'll screenshot this. Discord trading. Maybe Judas swing market open would be good. Like if we consolidate, then just Judas swing market open. Could be good. What's up? Chart looking promising for setup facts. I'm going to the red market with red folder FOMC at 2:30. It's not 2:30. It's 2 o'clock. Oh, there's the press conference at 2:30 though. I was looking at federal funds rate is an FOMC statement. Oh, that's not FOMC minutes. I thought it was minutes. I'm not gonna lie. We have 10 a.m. Well, to be honest, bro, I'm looking for these data wicks, bro. So I don't even care about that right now because I know we're gonna have the data wicks. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up with both chats here. Y'all get ready. Y'all know the markets started jumping when I get in there. All right. Did we take out sell side? All right, good. We just took out sell side here. Next target for sell side would be London low. I feel like best opportunity for a long. Do we have any for right gaps next to this London low here? Okay, so instead of an hourly, there's a 15-minute all the way down here. We could get delivery out of. Really, I just want to see what we do here. That low got hit, so data high bullish. Yeah, yes sir. Because that's short and market open. What market open? If you're talking about yesterday, no, there's no entry model for iFVGs. But today market hasn't opened yet, so I'm assuming you're talking about yesterday. Dude, I'm kind of hoping we don't get anything here because these are all going to be horrible. We still take it? Yeah, Marcelelli, I've taken pre-market a lot, like all the time. I know the indicator indicated this one, but like, look, we're going into a 2-minute, 3-minute, 4-minute, 4-minute up here, but 5-minute up here. There's just so many gaps here. I'd rather us get like this. This is at 9:30. This would be like a Judas swing setup. Market open manipulation. That would be kind of goated if we got it. Is the stream still up? All right, we're good. My storage folders got pretty full, so I'm probably gonna have full port shorts today. No, thank you, bro. Got it that high. I have to go in. All right. All right, I just deleted 18 videos. 18 screen recordings. Thank you, Luca, for following. If you guys do want to stay up to date and trade with us, after we get off here on TikTok Live, make sure you guys go to the YouTube. The YouTube is live. You might not be hyped for market open. I hear no tunes. Bro, it's because we're on TikTok. Once I turn off the TikTok, I'll get hyped, bro. Don't worry. I am hyped, bro. We got data highs. But this setup just looks trash to data highs. Because there's gaps everywhere. I hope we just chop until market opens, to be honest. Oh, Michael's in the TikTok now. Bruh. Bro, stop sending stuff. Stop sending stuff, bro. Stop sending stuff, bro. It just helps that you're watching. Bro, it just helps that you're watching. It just boosts the stream, bro. That you like watch and like, especially on the YouTube one. The YouTube one, watching on YouTube helps a lot. We have 18 people on the YouTube right now. Damn, what the hell? We already have a bunch of people pre-market. Thank you for the gifts, but like, you please don't. Bro, dude, there's some good, bro. trying to respond to my comments. But, dude, I respond to every comment just because it boosts my engagement. And some people, yo, face came in on TikTok. You have a mustache and a cowboy hat right now. Yeah, bro, it does. I don't pay for the thing, so I can't stream on both. I can't. I have to pay to use my camera on both. What's your strat? With your strat, do you only focus on lower time frame? No, it's just right now we have a data high. But focusing on the higher time frame, I want us to get a sell side sweep here, delivery out of this gap, and then along to buy side to the data high. To be honest, that's why I have this gap marked out. That's why I have the sell side marked out. So I do want this data high, but I would like it so much more if we came down. We'd be more in discount. We'd have a sell side sweep of like see, there's no delivery out of a gap here. So if we come down to sweep this sell side, we could get delivery out of this gap. Even if we don't, there's a 1 hour, there's a 1 hour BPR here that would be delivering out of. We already delivered out of it before though, so that's why I would rather tap this 15-minute unmitigated. But yeah, I don't pay, Michael. I don't pay for it to let me stream on both. Guys, if you're in the TikTok stream right now and you guys want to trade, we are going to be moving over to the YouTube soon. Probably like what time is it? Probably in about 5 minutes. I'm gonna be turning off this TikTok stream, so make sure you guys move to the YouTube. It's still free. We're already live there. Go ahead and join them. What did I say? 9:20. There we go. Nice, dude. I'm glad we're at 20. Let's go. How many likes we got on the YouTube stream? We got 3 likes, guys. Can you run up the likes? We got 20 people in here. Let's try to hit at least. Let's try to hit 10 likes. Let's try to hit 10 likes. That's a big like that. 10 out of 20 is like 50% ratio, which I think is pretty big, but still, a lot of times people don't like it that much. 50%, but I think we can do it. All right, we just hit 5. We're halfway there. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Anybody in here on TikTok moving over to the YouTube stream? Let me know. Yo, guys, what do you think about this? I need to put I've never gotten like a monetization thing on TikTok, but I just got something. If I make a video with this song, then I could get paid $650. But it has to get good views. Bro, I'm really hoping market manipulates down and then up. Bird, he died? Yeah. The bird died, yeah. I went back out there and the bird died. He died like within like 30 minutes, bro. He was like crapping all over himself. He's like walking in circles, pooping. He was just, I don't know, dude. I don't think, even if like, bro, the guy pissed me off when I called the wildlife restoration center because he just seemed like he didn't like care at all. Like, and that's your job, working at a wildlife restoration place, bro. And he just seemed like he didn't care. But I really think there was nothing they could have done because he died. Like, he died before they would have even been able to make it here. So. What do I have to do? What are the requirements for the video? Longer than 8 seconds? Other submission requirements. Keep it public for 10 days. Okay, I don't have to do a dance then. It's a dance. I don't want to do a TikTok dance, bro. Do I do it? Do I just post like? Do I just post like a video of a trade of a TP hitting? You think it'll work, bro? It's some like trash song. If it hits 300, oh wait. Oh, it tells me the reward right here. Okay. So if it gets 10,000 views, I make $10. If it's 15,000, I make 15. If it hits 100K, I would get 200. If it's 160K, I get 350. If it's 300K, I make 650. Yo, I don't think I'm hitting 300K. It's called Veki Slowed. Mikey, it's this one. Some weird TikTok trend, but they're paying people to make songs with it or make videos with it. Thank you, Ruda, for following. Once we hit 9:20 here, I'm gonna completely end this TikTok stream, and I'm gonna be migrating over to the YouTube. We are already live on the YouTube, so if you guys are here on the TikTok one, thank you everybody who's following. Thank you, Ruda Rich off NQ. Thank you, Brady Sorrel. Thank you, Boss Peter. All of you for following. But I will be ending the YouTube stream here in the next 3 minutes to move over fully to the YouTube for market open. So if you guys want to stay trading with me, I execute on stream and everything. Move over to the YouTube. Move over to the YouTube. Trying to move everybody over to YouTube. We're trying to build the YouTube. So, yeah, that's why. I do the TikTok pre-market for a little bit. Let me check YouTube's chat. Okay. All right, nothing. We're good. Bro, I want us to average above 20 viewers. Let's start doing. Bro, what do I even do? Create. Yo, I'm gonna need you guys to go crazy on this post. I'm gonna need everybody to like. I'm gonna need everybody to like comment on it. How many videos can I make using this sound? Can I just post like? They must comply with the campaign rules to work with artists. Creators must post public TikTok. They use the challenge's music clip link on their personal TikTok accounts within 14 days of the challenge start date. Within 16 days of the challenge start, creators will be identified based on applicable like-based challenge, the number of likes on their combined posts. Okay, doing requirements. It doesn't say anything about me having to it doesn't say anything about me having to like do the dance. I can do up to 5 posts with it. Let's go. What do I do? Drop 2 of them today, 3 of them tomorrow. If we did TP today, I'll post today's TP to the song. What do you guys think? Bro, I don't think it's worth it. All right. We are switching over fully to YouTube now. TP5 right now. I'm bullish. I'm looking for this data high. If you want to keep trading with us, you're gonna have to go to the YouTube. We're migrating over to the YouTube now since we got market open in less than 10 minutes. We're moving over there right now. It's just Logan Trades on YouTube. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get off this TikTok stream and we're gonna be on the YouTube. All right. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. All right. Now it's gonna be easier to watch chat because you're only here on YouTube. I got you with the music, bro. I got you with the music. Bro, but I think I should only do it for hitting TP though. I gotta plug in the speaker, bro. I'm gonna save it for when we're hitting TP. I need. I don't have anything that can charge it. I do have something that can charge it. Yeah, this will charge it. I'll play SS. What fund is am I copy trading at the moment? Apex. Apex. I gotta go ahead and put on if I go to user profile. Trading strategy. Pretty sure I gotta fill this out. Sorry guys. Sorry. I was going on Apex and writing in my trading strategy. Um okay, all right. So I cleared up some space. I should be able to record now. Should be able to record the stream now. Um I'm looking for this, to be honest. Sweep of this sell side, deliver off the gap, dot I. This is what I'm looking for. Maybe we don't get it. Maybe we get like Judas swing. Maybe we do this. Maybe we get like this. Really just have to see what we get, but I would prefer we come down. No entry models anywhere over here. And 5 minutes just looks garbage. So kind of open. I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick before market open. All right, we're back. You guys can hear me, right? Bro, I got you. Bro, I got you. We got market open. Bro, I've been loving this song recently. Let me see how loud that is. You hear that? I got you, Mikey. Is that too loud? That's loud. Is that too loud? Market open! NBC. 30 seconds. I don't want to get copyrighted. Ugh. They'll take down my stream. I got you though, Mikey. I just don't want to get taken down. Maybe after we get funded here and I can start dropping like YouTube trade reviews, maybe I'll stream on Kick so we can do that. Top Step TV. But what is this? What are they looking at? MCL. What is that? But what is Top Step TV? Where the bang, bro? She got the right. All right, let's check this 1 minute. We have a 1 minute here. We have a 1 minute here, guys. Bro, what the? I know I'm marking this out. It's already been taken, but I don't trade on. What is it? I don't trade on micros. We trade on um we trade on what is it called? We trade on minis and or NQ and we chart or yeah, we trade on MNQ and we chart on NQ. So and it's invalid. Oh, dude, I missed the entry. Dude, no way it closed. Please go break even. Please dump down. Please dump, bro. Please, bro. This is not gonna fail. Dude, I swear it didn't inverse yet, dude. Are you serious? Dude, did anybody catch that? Are you serious? Dude, this was so obvious, bro. Okay, now we have a 15-minute gap here. Go ahead and mark this out. I didn't even have time to enter there, dude. Dude. Dude, I literally looked back to my chart immediately after. That is so annoying. All right, there might be a. What does NT mean? Did you catch that? That is so annoying, bro. Oh. Library bias is perfect. Not gonna, yeah, dude. I knew it, bro. But like, that's so annoying, bro. Now we're probably gonna get nothing because we have FOMC later. 1R would have been done for the day, dude. I don't get how I never catch things, bro. Like, there's no chance I was typing and like half a second after I stopped typing is when it like made it invalid. Oh my gosh, bro. Now this short is gonna be protected low. Or is it? No, that low wasn't in a gap. You have a 1 minute there. I don't really know how much I like this 2 minute though. But targeting this high would be a protected high. I want us to come and take a sell side to look for longs though. Like maybe we like resweep this internal and we deliver off of this. So like this would be good. We just need something to target that's not the protected eye. I mean, right now we are delivering off this 2 minute here though. So this 30-second might not be bad, but the only problem is we're targeting like a protected eye. Let's see. See, that's like too close for me though, because now we're already inside the fair value gap with the protected high. I would have wanted a good close on that. Dude, it would be so much better if we come down, dude. You get a sweet like delivery off probably like this 30-second down here, like I already said. So this is technically a valid setup, but dude, I'm so mad, bro. Like I literally like I don't understand why I always miss things by like half a second like that. That's why I don't. That's why I barely take any trades because I always miss a setup, like literally like that. I'm trying to type out my strategy on here. All right, I just finished it. All right. That was 100% trade of the day, bro. Dude, are you serious, bro? Like, we've already been done for the day, bro. Like, and the amount of days that this happens is actually so aggravating. Literally, like A plus plus setup, bro. And I missed out on it because I was typing something. I always miss for some BS reason too, and I don't, bro. It's just pissing me off. A 5 minute FVG. If you're talking about like longing this, that one's invalid. Okay, so it closed above this 5 minute. Probably gonna run to this buy side here. So if you took this, bro, you guys, I don't know, you would have already gotten stopped at break even if you tried to hold a runner. Bro. Probably gonna get nothing for the rest of the day because we have FOMC later. Yeah, me neither, bro. And this would have been trade one, bro. First trade of the week, and it would have been an easy dub, bro. But of course, I was typing out my trading strategy on the Apex website. Dude, I don't understand why I can never catch trades, bro. I was being so patient waiting for a good trade. And, bro, literally, like, look, I'll replay it on stream. Look at this. Here, wait. Look at this. All right. Bro, I literally looked back from typing out my trading strategy on the Apex website as it invert or as it hit the break even. Look at this. Hit the break even, and then I look back. And I was like, oh, it's invalid. And then I realized it already inversed. Like literally 2 seconds before. BOS on the 15 minute? No, BOS would have been a close. We have an inverse of the 15 minute. But we already took the internal target. So we have this. Let me see. I'm going to go here on. So now we have the 1 minute. We just put in the 1 minute there. See if we put in this 2 minute. Because it seems like we're not going to put in the 2 minute. Damn, bro. What the hell was that? I feel like this one. I feel like that was like. I don't know. I feel like that was an impulse move. I definitely don't feel like that was like regular momentum. I don't know if I want to take that. Right up bankroll, right up bankroll. And that's why I would have moved break even. It seems like we're kind of building a trend line, yeah. He was doing this on Monday, yeah. Maybe we're gonna put in a 30-second OB here. I honestly hope we come back up and make a trend line. Because this could be a good target. Seems like we're gonna put in a 1-minute OB here now. Guess I could have taken that on the retrace. That would have been a good entry. But I hope we just leave this. Please leave it just a trend line, bro. If I want us to leave a trend line, we're not going to, though. I can promise you that. I'll go back to NQ since we're charting right now. Tell you we're not leaving a trend line if I want us to. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Every time I want something to happen, we don't get it. Crazy, dude. But what are the chances that I was looking away? Like, and this is the problem. This is why a lot of the times I want to set up to work, and then we get it, and I don't have executions just because of something like that. Like what happened earlier. And the reason I didn't enter on this retrace was because I missed the other setup. And I feel like it would have been like, I feel like it would have been like emotional. But this would have already hit TP or partial. It would have hit 1R already. It would have just been looking for like here. Because stop loss initially would have been like, yeah. But now this buy side is a protected eye. We just swept this internal. Could look for a long here. But I already know Dodgy took that setup, bro. Yeah, I already knew he did. Because, I tried to take it in, and it wouldn't just... It's annoying, bro. I know, bro. And I missed so many setups, bro. And it's just annoying, dude. All right, so we just tapped in a 30-second gap. There's definitely no setup signal. The only thing we could think about would be the 2 p.m. news. To be honest, at this point. Yeah, you're right, Brady. Oh my gosh, bro. What do we even do now, dude? After that one hit. Yeah, we're just gonna have to wait at this point, bro. That setup earlier was so perfect, bro, but I don't know how I always miss them. Don't get it. All right. Oh, we just flipped the sell side of this internal again. The next target for sell side to even look for is really, really far. So I feel like just looking for a resweep at this low could be good. I don't want to take some stupid setup though. Like this is just gonna be stupid. Like taking something like this would just like I would get so mad if this lost. Because this is like a stupid setup to take. Let's see if this. Let's see if the dodgy indicator indicates it. Oh, it did. Let's see if this works. This gap is tiny, bro. There's no way. We could enter here. The only problem, like, it would be such good R, but this target is like a protected eye. What is a protected eye? There's no gap there. But I don't like that it's a high that took out another. That's the main reason I don't like it. But sorry, I wanted to open up this panel. That's crazy risk to reward though. 1R is like right there. And then that's wild, bro. That's crazy, bro. And I would have been so mad if I took that loss though. So I was fine with not taking that. And then break even for the partials would have been right there. Oh, bro. This is our macro. We are cooked. Our macro started. Bro, our macro's cooked, bro. Oh my gosh, dude, we're getting nothing now. I don't want to take anything stupid, bro. There's no way this is our macro, bro. What type of live trading is this? You don't talk? No trade type of day? What do you mean no trade type of day? Really, you should already be done. It just sucks that I was busy, bro. Like, sorry, Johnny, but it's pretty much done, dude. Only trade would have been like this to here, dude. Unfortunately, I missed it, and that's what happened. So I was typing something out on my other monitor, and it just ran. Or not by side, sorry. Right here. That I. Sorry about that. It's just 1-to-1 wrist reward. Um, it's just whatever though. It's whatever. I do talk. It's just there's nothing right now, bro. This macro is horrible. I don't understand what's going on with this macro. And we have FOMC later, so that's probably why the macro's like this. Macro should not be moving like this. Bro, we're definitely not getting anything, bro. What is this, dude? No 1 minute for value gaps. That's how no price is cooked. I'm gonna send this to the Discord real quick, bro. Oh my gosh, dude. Let me see. All right, sorry about that. Put a hole in my monitor type of day, yeah, because for me it's because I missed the setup. So, macro is trash. The end of the macro give us this move up, and you saying this 30 seconds trash because it's tiny. I don't know anybody that would take this 30-second, but unless you connected the inefficiency, it could have been a little bit better, but it was invalid with the inefficiency. What's my rules for placing stop loss? A close in the opposite direction. So for the setup earlier that I missed because I'm a retard. I mean, I'm probably gonna get canceled for saying the word retard, but I don't care. Because I actually am a retard. Based on the volume of these candles before, right? It's 18. So just looking for a stop loss that like is not crazy big. So like I see like Dodgy puts his like this, but if you get a candle close down here, what do you do? You know, so I put my stop loss a little bit below. Like I probably would have done 70 here. Gave it some room. And my target would have been data high. I mean, I had it drawn out on stream. It was at 1.1 R. And then this short would have been break even a million times over now at this point, unless you got the retrace entry. I like this short until we closed all the way down here and made a crazy stop loss. It is a put a hole in my monitor type of day because I missed the setup. Now we left equal lows. Maybe we could look for these equal lows. Probably gonna take nothing else for the rest of the day. That better. Think we're gonna get anything else, bro. Either way, and we might get something later, but anything right now, dude. Bro, see, it's not like we're chilling. We get this super better. Bro. Equalos is good. Maybe if we sweep this. Any gaps to the left? Just that 1 minute gap right here. Maybe we get delivery at this 1 minute. There's a BPR here too. Say about a BPR. What we say about a BPR? All right. Dude, I would have already been off stream, guys. I would have been off stream after that data hit if I had taken it. No cap. So we got what? We got this now. I'll have to do 2 contracts, targeting the equal lows. Break even right here. Now it's the 1 minute, break even right there still. Yeah, now, okay, we just retook it and now we're in this gap. Maybe we put in a 1 minute here. But the only problem is how close are we to all time highs now? All time highs all the way up there. 50. I just don't want to like revenge trade after missing such a good trade, you know? So I'm being really hesitant. I don't really know how much I want to take any more setups. This gap held price up. Probably gonna pop above this one. I might just get off, guys. I missed trade of the day. I think I don't have any more draws, to be honest. I got on with a data high draw. Data high and data low. We swept data low, so now I was bullish for data high, and then we took out data high, and then I said I'm gonna see how white price reacts. We could come back down, take out this low, and get a long, and price just continued up. Took out buy side here. Now we just closed above this, and now I'm not bearish. I won't even look for shorts here. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Missed trade of the day. At least some people caught it. But I don't know. It's annoying that I missed it, but whatever. We come back tomorrow. All right. Yeah, it's just annoying. It's whatever though. How long have we been live? Not even an hour, bro. All right, I'll wait till it's an hour, then I'll get off. I'll get off at an hour. Everybody stay in here. Everybody stay in here. Stay in here for what we got, 4 more minutes? 3.5 more minutes. And we got 3 minutes here. Anybody got any questions before I get off? I got one question though. Are you subscribed? We're trying to run up the subs. Anybody got any questions before we get off? We got a couple minutes left. Any trades today? Bro, I drew it out and everything, dude. I'll show you. It was this one. I didn't take it. Bro, 1.1 R. I'll show you. Snorlax, you look him? Watch this. I'm gonna pull over the stream. I'm gonna pull the stream over. You see this? I have the stream up on the main oh wait, you can't see it. Damn it, give me a second. Let me put it. Give me a second. Give me a second. Window capture, screen capture, display capture. There we go. That's the right setting. All right, good. All right, you see this? Yeah, dude. I'm so mad, dude. Look at this. I was typing out the thing on here. I'll show you. I'll show you what I was typing. I was typing this out for Apex. You see it? I was typing this out for Apex. Because they make you put your trading strategy on here. And look, I draw the gap, skip forward. I drew it out on MNQ, so I could take it. Looking for targets, blah blah blah. Just full TP was gonna be at the data high, bro. Watch this. And then look, I'm typing it out, and as I come to literally watch, it hit the break even here, and watch. I look over to see if we got the setup yet, like if we're about to inverse or not, and it like already break even, and I was like, bro, are you serious? What is it? What is this for Apex? Yeah, yeah, this for Apex. Yeah. I was typing that out and I just missed it. And then look, it just ran, bro. They require this? I'm not sure. I was just filling it out because they have it there. Yeah, I know. Just ran, bro. Like in like 10 seconds hit TP, bro. I would have been over the day. And then I stayed on looking for something and we didn't get anything else. Everything else was just shit after. Bro, you're telling me this is our macro? Obviously, probably gonna be shit when this was our macro. So, dude, that's my luck, Snorlax, bro. You've been in these streams long enough, bro. You'll see me draw something out and then just like, bro, you know that's my luck, bro. For me, it was better. What do you mean? I've been here on here for an hour and a half. I was looking at the wrong timer. What do you mean for you it was better? Like a better risk to reward, or like you took a different engine model? You got in down here or something? Oh, and there was it updated data. There was this inversion. Like you missed it after, like it did, like it paused and it updated and it was already like at break even or what? Yeah, dude. It's fucking stupid, dude. I don't know. I don't have to type that out anymore. I guess I'm just gonna have to really, really lock in with just focusing on my chart, bro. Because apparently I can't. I just can't do anything while trading, dude. Anytime I do anything while trading, it just like I don't know, stuff like that happens. Yeah, we got tomorrow. We'll be good. Today was good. It's supposed to be mid, anyways. We have FOMC later, so I'm counting on tomorrow. I might check PM stream. I might check PM for the FOMC depending on if I'm able to get on my computer or not. But if not, what do we have? We have 8:30 tomorrow, right? What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday. Fuck, dude. No trade and it's already gonna be Thursday. Fucking crazy, dude. Sorry, I don't like cursing that much, but I'm like mad about missing the trade today. Dude, Snorlax, it's like when you don't take it, but you choose to not take it. To me, that's not that bad because I chose to not take it. But bro, I was going to take this, bro. Same with the one on what was it, Friday, and I missed it. Dude, back to back. I like bro, the last two trades I missed like what was it? 3.5, like 3.5 R total just from missing it, dude. It was the 30-second that I missed. The 30-second short I missed on Friday. And then the long I chose to not take, so I was fine with that. But the 30-second short I was gonna take. I had it drawn out and everything. But anyways, better be confident and lost and doubtful win. If I have doubts, I don't take it. Yeah, dude, I don't take anything like this short. I kind of liked. I was like, you know what? I might take this short if we get it. Not even as a revenge trade thing, but like we swept buy side, swept the data high, got a manipulation like here, came back up, blah blah blah. But the close was all the way down here, and I don't know if you saw the candle in live time, but it's out of nowhere, like dumped, kind of like a data, like a Newswick kind of candle. So I didn't really like it then. I was like, I didn't really know if that was like real momentum. It didn't seem like real momentum. It just like dumped. So, but if we'd gotten a close like here, I would have taken it. And I would have looked for like what 2R, but I didn't like it. Yeah, it kind of looked like a news thing the way it came out. So I didn't mess with it after that. If it had seemed like authentic momentum, I would have taken it. Yeah, but it didn't really seem like. I feel like that's the perfect word, authentic, like real momentum, not like just a news thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Um, Good stream today. Really good stream today. Called out a win. Just didn't get it. It's whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for joining up, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on stream. Unless you guys are gonna be in the TikTok stream later tonight. But yeah, I'll see you guys.